So good morning, one and all. This is Bionic Bear. I am back after a few days off. Now, I am back with the career mode that I have been promising, the Newcastle United career mode. Now, the Newcastle United rebuild has begun. I will show you who I've brought in to begin with, and I will show you the player that I said I would be bringing back, the player that I said would be returning to the Premier League. And the first man is, of course, the one and only, in my opinion, one of the best English goalkeepers in the league, Nick Pope. I have also signed James Tarkowski. Along with that, Max Aarons and Hoover are both in as defenders for me. I then scroll down and you see James Madison. He's in for Newcastle. So I have brought in James Madison again, a player that I feel is very, very much underrated in the Premier League. I have brought in Matt Ritchie is now a right winger. I've pushed him up, and there is the man that said he wants to leave Manchester City in the summer. And there's the man that he said he wants to leave Man City to get more game time. Well, Raheem Sterling is now at Newcastle, and here it is. Here is the man that I said would be returning. One of my favourite strikers to use not only on FIFA but in real life, and he is an absolute beast on this game. He will score goal after goal. He scores a bucket load, and he is the one, the only Daniel Sturridge. Absolute goal scoring machine. So hopefully he can not prove me wrong and get a few goals today. We are on ultimate difficulty. This is the start of the season. This is Newcastle United. This is West Ham. We will open
Hi guys, thanks all for being here. Questions
I have
one at a
decided
time,
not
please.
to use my avatar as I still get that crackling every time I do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try with this guy and see if I still get that. And I'll try to get a new look as well for Newcastle. So let's see how this goes. I will be back late today with the next part of the Liverpool career mode. I will also be back with the next episode of the Leighton Orient Road to Glory. With the Liverpool career mode, there could actually be, heading into January, there could be a massive replacement in the team. So that will be coming. I would also be looking for a couple of new players to strengthen the squad.
Okay guys, we'll be wrapping it up now. Thank you for attending.
We'll be looking into who's going to make the squad better. But nonetheless, this is Newcastle, this is West Ham, this is the opening day of the season. So we are there, we are 4-4-2, we are looking strong. In fact, let me set up some of the instructions. He hasn't actually got his game face, which is really quite surprising, which I think he might, hopefully he'll get at a later date. Let's have Lewis and Aarons overlap. Max Aarons is one of them that I actually really rate. I think he's a fantastic young player. He's got a really bright future ahead of him. So he's one of them that I rate highly at fullback, hence why I've signed him. But this is Newcastle United. This is the on ultimate difficulty. We are playing West Ham, and we are playing West Ham at St James's Park. Now here we go.
Our camera lens trained on one man. Will he add to his total of 4 goals from his last 3? This is EA TV.
And Newcastle and England
Hello
legend.
And welcome to the
Alan
northeast
Shearer.
of England. We're here
He's the
at
first man
St
there
James's
to,
Park. I'm your match commentator Derek Ray at the microphone, and sitting alongside me is the former Arsenal, West Ham and Coventry midfield player Stuart Robson. And it is a day of renewal, the first game of the Premier League season. Always something to look forward to. It's Newcastle United up against West Ham United.
Well, the atmosphere is incredible inside the stadium, Derek. There's a real sense of optimism amongst the fans about the new season and what it might bring. It's been a long wait, but
real
that's
chance.
Won by Newcastle. It's Shelby. It's through for Sturridge. Keeper's there to deny him. But Sturridge is back in possession. Sturridge with a turn. That shot is blocked. That's smashed away.
So the starting 11 for Newcastle United. Nick Pope gets the nod between the posts. James Tarkowski plays alongside Jamal Lascelles in the centre of defence. And it's two strikers up front who look to provide the goal-scoring threat.
That'll be a Newcastle throw. And Shelby. Playing it across the field for Aarons. Aarons to Madison. Madison to Sturridge.
He's won the ball.
Sturridge does lose out there.
Always difficult to predict in advance who might decide a game, but you could make a strong case for this man, I think, Stuart. What do you...
That's a free kick in a dangerous position.
And it sets up a free kick in a dangerous position.
Declan Rice with the foul. And it is James Madison now for Newcastle with this free kick. Madison with the free kick. Keeper saves.
Lacking just a little bit of guile.
Oh, that's hit Sturridge. That's hit Sturridge. Sturridge is in.
Illegal play, and hence a free kick.
The ref says that was illegal.
We wondered if this deal was going to be done.
That was close. Daniel Sturridge pouncing on that mistake.
Yeah, I like the look of him.
Unfortunately, he was told he was handled.
Let's hope he makes a huge
mistake for West Ham.
Couldn't keep it. And space for the cross.
Madison looks to turn, and that's
not the best challenge.
Free kick.
Well, the referee decides not to reach for his pocket at this early stage.
Well, I thought he might book him there, but in the end, I think he's got that right.
Madison, the free kick taker. That's the free kick in from Madison.
Not enough subtlety about that free kick, I'm afraid.
Not really very good free kicks on this, but we won't go there. And that's hit forward.
For Niles. Now, counter-attacking possibilities here. Oh, he's got
There's the shot high wide.
Oh, a clinical counter-attack, and so close to a goal.
Well, that's exactly what they're looking to do. Force the turnover and then break at pace. So close to a very good goal.
Now a decent position.
It's Sturridge.
I think most defenders would expect to be halting an attack in that fashion.
Well,
he's gone into the referee's notebook.
And you can't be surprised. That was a poor challenge, you have to say.
Let's see what Madison can do here this time. Oh, that time he forces the keeper into a really good save. It's not clear.
And then some. Wide it went.
And it goes out wide.
Well, you have to think they're going to take the lead at some point, because they're really looking dangerous at the moment.
Headed down to Madison. Shelby.
And Newcastle pushing forward with options
Sturridge
available.
Blocked.
Tremendous block. Vlasic. On a pass that lacks quality.
Madison. His pass was blocked. West Ham passing around like prime Barcelona.
Declan Rice.
But that's a good ball forward nonetheless.
And Vlasic. And he read it superbly.
And it's
Callum Wilson.
Wilson.
Very quick thinking there. Kurt Zuma. For Niles. And he read it
Shelby
well.
wins that one really well, actually. John Joe Shelby wins that well. Madison has found Sturridge. Daniel Sturridge, that's blocked. Sturridge is now in the box for Newcastle. He's in possession.
Promising looking attack, but comes to nothing in the end.
There's me saying about how good he is on here and how much I like using him.
Oh, he's given the ball away.
Been all that in front of goal so far. But this is Newcastle United rebuild.
Declan Rice.
This is game number 1.
Ball with Pablo Fornals.
And West Ham
and a poor ball.
Actually trying to break, but it's cut out by Aarons. It's a good ball.
Promising move this from Newcastle. But nothing comes of it. Good defending it was.
In on Sturridge there, trying to deny him. It's
He's going to be disappointed with that pass.
Lascelles. Aarons. Giving away. Poor pass. Aarons. Sterling.
And the referee blows the whistle. It is a free kick. And yellow it is. A booking.
Yeah, he was too impatient to win the ball and probably deserved a yellow card.
It comes to nothing in the end. Wilson.
Here's Wilson.
Saint-Maximin.
Saint-Maximin. Looks to get away, get a shot off, can't get it.
That's
Coming
not a
out to
bad
Sterling,
ball.
there's the volley in.
Well, in fact, a good but straightforward claim by the keeper. Well, the counter chance looks very real.
Newcastle run away from the ball.
It's opening up for them.
There's the chance. So he's beat two. He's completely fluffed the shot. It's Sturridge.
Sustained pressure, and now they have the ball.
Complete miss kick there from West Ham.
Craig Dawson.
They should be in front, in fact.
Declan Rice. Keeping it moving
they're
dynamically.
passing around like prime Barcelona. I can't think of the new.
Pablo Fornals.
Nonetheless, this
And
is West
crossed
Ham.
in
It's got the ball
there.
in the box. It's headed
Not
away.
all that convincing defensively.
Wilson. Shelby.
Well, they survived the attack.
Madison.
Callum Wilson. An incisive
Sturridge is offside.
pass. In it goes!
Oh, but
But it will
no,
not
Daniel
stand.
Sturridge is offside. I thought
Offside,
he scored then.
Stuart.
No,
Well, it
he's
looked
offside.
close, didn't it? He certainly thought so. He's making that clear to the linesman now.
Yeah, it was a fair distance offside, to be fair. When the ball was played, I did think it was offside. Let's forward nonetheless. We are into the first game of the season. It is Newcastle United 0, West Ham United 0. And even
Lewis
with all the big
setting off
signings
perhaps a
Newcastle
little
have
bit too
made,
much here.
they still
ball
cannot
back with
find
West
a way
Ham
through.
now.
West Ham here has smashed out for a
And a
throw.
throw in it's going to be.
Madison.
And given away. And the referee has added on 2 minutes of stoppage time. Theme emerging of wasted possession. Good pressure to win the ball back high up the pitch. And so it is, the first half story has been...
And that is 0-0 at the break. There's me singing Daniel Sturridge's praises, and he's not been able to do much for me.
The two
in this
teams have
first half.
switched around
Nonetheless,
and are ready now for
here
the
we
second
are underway.
half.
As I said previously, he's one of my favourite strikers to use on FIFA, and one of my favourite in real life. I'm glad he's back in football. I'm glad he's found a club.
Jared Bowen.
And this is now West Ham on the break.
Passing it around, looking for the goal
That's
that
one
would put
back.
them ahead.
And here is Sturridge. And he's cut out by Zuma. Just as he tries to break.
And winning it back.
Madison. Shelby.
Real chance.
Sturridge is in. Sturridge for Newcastle. There's the lead. On his Premier League return. And there is the trademark dance. Daniel Sturridge comes up with the goal. The finishing is sublime.
This is
the ball was inch
football
perfect.
at its very
The
best.
former
And his
Liverpool
movement's so
connection
clever.
is there.
Once he gets
And
onto it,
just
there's only one thought in his
flicks
head.
it beyond the
Smash
keeper.
it as hard as possible.
And that is Daniel
What a good goal.
Sturridge making a fantastic return. EA Sports give him back his game face. EA Sports give Sturridge back his proper face.
So the match has restarted. 1-0
Because
here.
the goal scoring machine is back. Lovely finish, Sturridge. He's one of those that doesn't miss very often when he's in a situation like that. There is some players that on this game that will, but Daniel Sturridge is one of them that doesn't.
An attack
Fantastic
full of
finish.
promise.
What a return.
Sends it back. Deserves
Shelby.
credit for winning the ball back.
Wilson. One again
Shelby.
by Newcastle. Shelby.
Wilson.
Wilson.
And a textbook interception.
Can't pull that inside. That's stopped. That is smashed away though. But Newcastle
Just a
do
quick
have it back.
reminder,
It
we
is
have more
Wilson.
action from the Premier League
That's
coming your way.
blocked.
It's Newcastle United facing Aston Villa.
Well, as you can see, West Ham have had most of the ball, but their attacking play hasn't been good enough so far. There's been too many safe passes and no real penetration. They certainly need to up the tempo if they're going to get back into this one.
Well, that pass easy on the
Wilson.
eye.
Wilson's in the box. There's a shot
to
to save.
remain focused.
Newcastle starting to find that way through now. Starting to find that chance. As it currently stands, it is Newcastle's 1. West Ham 0. That's a
Really
good ball forward
intense
from Shelby.
pressure applied.
He's found Sturridge.
Oh,
Madison
he's gone
from
for goal.
distance.
Well, the goalkeeper
Keeper
has
saves that
thankful,
well.
but it wasn't a better effort than it actually was. Oh, he looks
Shelby.
straight. Well, it could be on for him here.
Sturridge again.
Oh, a superb
Keeper
save.
gets the touch. Keeper makes the save. That is a corner. That is a brilliant save from the keeper. As Daniel Sturridge, yet again, takes the chance. But that is saved from the keeper, and this will be Sterling's corner to front.
Who's going to get on the end of it?
There's the header.
The clearance
It's
wasn't
away.
decisive.
Tarkowski. Shelby's blocked.
Danger of it. Well, it's going to require some attention here. So the referee has called a
And
halt to
Kurt
the
Zuma's
proceedings.
down with an injury. Oh, he fell very awkwardly in the challenge with Wilson.
And so play will be restarted by means of a drop ball.
This is back to Aston.
Keeper not concentrating.
Out, he found Sturridge.
Madison.
Keeper actually passes that straight to Daniel Sturridge.
Don't forget we have more live action from the Premier League coming up here on EA TV. It's West Ham United taking on Leicester City.
Madison's in the box.
Blocked for now. And foul it is then.
And the ref's given a penalty. The referee has given a penalty. James Madison's shot looks like it was handled. So Daniel Sturridge will be stepping up
Can
for
they extend the
Newcastle.
lead?
And oh, that's saved.
Penalty save.
Penalty saved. And Sterling's corner goes in.
It
Headed
still
down.
could be dangerous.
Smashed away by Newcastle. Tarkowski, St Maximin.
And Newcastle pushing forward with
Wilson.
options available. But quick thinking defensively.
West Ham have shut up shop defensively. Daniel Sturridge with the only
Well,
goal
far
of the
from
game
the
so
ideal
far.
pass, you've got to say.
Great ball
Just
forward.
20 minutes remaining now.
Tarkowski has stepped in and
Possession
won.
lost by the
He's
Hammers.
found. And that is a great ball forward.
Daniel
Here is
Sturridge.
Sturridge.
Something to worry about here.
And it's
Making
Madison
sure
that's
nothing
blocked.
untoward happened. Superb tackle. Jared Bowen. Craig Dawson. Vladimir Kuva.
Good ball forward.
And taking it away.
Here's Shelby. Shelby looks to fire that forward time.
Well, foul play,
That's
says the referee.
denied. As again, the referee says it was handled.
Madison.
Madison, who's touched very much, lets him down.
So not long to go in this one. Can Newcastle secure the win?
Well, it's going to be a
And that's
nervy
one.
end to this game. But if they do
That's
hold
blocked.
on, I think they've deserved their win. They've played
Sturridge
really well
gets
and they've played some good attacking
down.
football. And in general,
Referee says
they've
nothing
controlled the
goes,
game.
West Ham are back in possession. And that's hit for
And take it away.
Willis.
Well, beating his
Sturridge
opponent.
again. Sturridge from this time from distance.
Still could be dangerous.
Brilliant save.
Well, if only he had timed his run slightly better.
Deflection. That
Offside.
will be Madison's last
There has been plenty.
interaction today. In fact, I think I will make a triple change. So that will be Madison and Shelby off. And I'll also be bringing Raheem Sterling off. We're going to kick Daniel Sturridge on,
Give
obviously, with
limbering
him
up
being the
from
goal scorer he
substitutes.
is.
And now both sides
this
will
will be a
make
triple
personnel
change.
switches. There's 10 minutes remaining here.
Number 28, Joseph Miller. Number 23, Jacob Murphy.
Marusic. On the ball, Masuaku. And the quality of pass needs to be a bit better. Willock. Jeff Hendrick. Losing
And
possession
again,
a bit
that's
easily.
pass after pass that keep being denied.
And a
Every
throw
time
in
I play ball
forthcoming.
forward, it's cut out. Wilson. Yeah, and
That's a
again
very
there.
impressive piece of defending.
Just to get the touch on the ball, I'm denied.
Good pressure
That's
high
one.
up the pitch.
Sturridge spins the defender. It's the shot. Good save.
commanding
Daniel
goalkeeping.
Sturridge again causing so many problems.
Another goal from this
and this
corner
goalkeeper
would in all
has
likelihood
denied
secure a victory.
Englishman on his return, and
You
that's
need your
headed
defender
down,
to take charge.
not away. It's Tarkowski.
Joe Willock.
Willock.
Jacob Murphy.
Murphy.
Defensive
Can't get
efficiency personified. Breaking at pace.
Tarkowski.
And he read it well defensively.
Get the ball forward. As Tarkowski
Good pressure to win the ball back high up the pitch. So a corner kick as the Magpies look for more.
Corner. This time Murphy will float it in. There's the header! Brilliant save
Well, you're
again
absolutely
from the
right. It's a
keeper.
top quality save, but they're running out of time here.
Can someone get on the end of this?
It's another corner
And no
in, it's another quality
whatsoever
save.
for the goalkeeper.
West Ham keeper's been in absolutely fantastic form, and it looks like we're going in to as a win on the final day of the season for Newcastle.
Did well to win the ball back.
With Daniel Sturridge on his Premier League return being the difference. That was a poor bit of control from St Maximin. And there's the full-time whistle.
The final
Newcastle
whistle
do get the win.
Newcastle fans around the world will
Daniel
be delighted
Sturridge,
with the outcome.
His
What did
goal
you make of
is
the
the
performance?
difference. Some really big chances for Newcastle, some big saves at both ends. Callum Wilson was poor. As for the loudness, unfortunately, it is actually nothing I can do about it. I have contacted EA. Once again, they have ignored me when I've contacted them about it. So there isn't too much that I can do, and all I can do is keep trying to play and keep going and have my enjoyment of the game destroyed. But yeah, there's not much that I can do about that. We go into the Aston Villa game now. This is Newcastle Aston Villa. I have given myself a ridiculous amount of money. We have Scunthorpe in the league, in the League Cup, sorry, and then Southampton. But I will be playing the Villa game, and then I will end this here. I will also be going on to, we are 6th currently. I will also be going, I'll be back later today with a Liverpool career, and with the continuation of Liverpool career and the continuation of the Leighton Orient Road to Glory, as we go into Aston Villa unchanged. And we go into Aston Villa.
Cameras trained on one man.
Full of goals,
To his
and
total
hopefully we
of
can.
4 goals from his last 3. This is EA TV.
As he makes his return, hopefully he gets his game face back.
Hello to you, wherever you happen to be. Our action comes to you today from Villa Park. My name is Derek Ray, and ready with his tactics
He's
board
back
to provide
nonetheless,
all the
and
analysis is
I'm
Stuart
delighted about that. As I
Robson.
said,
And we've
he's
got Premier
one of my
League
favourite players to
action
use,
coming right up.
and
It's
he's very
Aston
much
Villa
a goal
up
scorer.
against Newcastle United.
I rely on.
Thanks, Derek.
And here
well,
he
both
is.
managers will be reminding
Game
their
against
players
Villa's only just
starting the game
started, and
quickly,
he's back in
hitting the
possession.
opposition back,
If he
playing the
can
ball
stay
forward
fit throughout
and
the
regaining
season,
possession as
then
quickly
I
as
feel
possible.
Newcastle will be
Hopefully we
playing
get a
Champions
really
League
good game
football
here.
next season. Nonetheless, Aston Villa are on the attack. I will have a Tottenham Hotspur career mode coming up where I will actually have some big signings coming in for them.
I wondered if the keeper
will
would
be
have
one of them, of course,
difficulties, but no
as
problems in
he's
the
one of
end.
those players that I really enjoy using on this game.
Starting 11
And I
for
also think
Newcastle
there's going to be
United.
one or two
Nick Pope
others.
gets the nod
There
between
may
the
be
posts.
a return
James
or two
Tarkowski
for...
plays alongside Jamal Lascelles in the centre of
that's a good
defence.
shot, actually.
Well,
That's
not
wide.
on the target. The keeper seemed to have
Danny
it covered.
Ings fired
Well, he
that
did
one
seem to have
wide.
it
There will
covered, but
actually
it's
be
not a
a
bad effort,
return
though.
or two.
He really did strike it well.
Former Tottenham players, so...
Well, he always has to be
And Lewis has
regarded as
lost
a
out.
dangerous opponent, so what should we expect to see from him in this game,
And it's
Stuart?
St Maximan.
Well, Derek,
There's
I'm
the
sure he's going to
crossover.
score another
Sturridge
goal
can't get a
today
header.
because he's got 4 in the last 3 games. He's a player full of confidence, and every time he makes a forward run, he looks as though he's going to get in behind. He's in outstanding form at the moment.
And Ings has actually tried to break here.
Showing considerable guile.
And there's a shot
And
that
the
goes
goal
over
kick
the
it'll
bar.
be. Too much height on the
Aston
shot.
Villa are really piling on the pressure. We can't seem to get out of our own half at the moment. Here's Lascelles. Lewis. Once again, he's cut out
James
Madison.
Madison. Promising move
Wilson.
this from Newcastle. Interception to snuff out the danger.
Fired that in the middle. I wasn't really looking for anyone
Madison.
in particular there. I just fired that in the middle, looking for one of them. But that's
Can he convert?
Madison from distance.
That's
James Madison with an absolute
An early goal in
rocket
the game.
to put Newcastle in front early on.
Well, I have to say, this is a really good goal.
One back by
Just watch his
Tarkowski.
technique here.
And
He just
Madison
hits through the back of the ball
smashing
with
that
such
one in
power.
from
There's no
distance.
stopping that.
Newcastle are in front. Left footed. What a finish. What a finish. Keeper nowhere. Like an arrow straight into the bottom corner. Lovely finish, Madison. Newcastle lead. We are 13 in.
Underway, and 1-0 it is.
So it's a really good 1-0 lead for Newcastle to start with. And that is cut out. McGinn fired that forward to Ings.
Sanson. Well, not the pass he had in
Madison,
mind.
Sterling,
It's opening up for them.
Sturridge.
He made it look
Ings
simple,
cut out
really.
there again. I'm singing his praises and he just doesn't.
They couldn't
Do a lot,
maintain possession.
When he does score goals, he scores important goals.
Madison.
And it's Madison. He is cut out. Sturridge does win that back though. He does fire that back.
Shelby.
Shelby has found Sturridge. Sturridge on the
Able to
spin.
get a body
There's
in
the
the
block.
way.
Madison
Really
hits that
important piece
forward.
of
That's
last-ditch
blocked.
defending.
That's fired forward. And that's gone back to Pope. Pope to Lascelles. Lascelles to Shelby. Shelby to
Sturridge.
Sturridge. To
Firing
Sturridge
again.
who peels away. There's the shot.
Close.
Keeper's
Well,
palmed
maybe
that away
scope
for Raheem Sterling.
Newcastle to add to their lead with this set piece.
And there's the
That
header
was
into
never
the
likely to trouble the
James
keeper.
Sturridge.
Might be able to get in behind the defence.
And Tarkowski chasing Danny Ings back.
Under pressure. Doesn't seem to be bothering him.
Danny
Ings.
Ings is spinning
McGinn.
left and right and round in circles. That's blocked by Newcastle.
And the
And in
referee
fact, that
felt
is
he had to blow the
an
whistle.
Aston Villa penalty. Penalty's given so easily on this, so I'm not really over keen on that.
Chance to equalise
And
here.
Danny Ings will step up.
Oh,
And he's actually skied it.
had in mind,
Danny Ings
Stuart.
skies the
Well,
penalty.
usually height beats a keeper, but he's put too much on that.
It's Lascelles. It's Lewis.
Callum Wilson.
It's Wilson. Shelby.
And he's made headway.
Madison again. Good save.
Oh, that's magnificent goalkeeping.
But in
But
fact, it
now
was
we
offside.
see that the offside flag has gone up. Well, successfully cut out.
Sturridge wins that, and then he's out-muscled.
James
And
Madison.
it's Madison.
Is it
Wilson.
going to end up being productive?
Sturridge on the
Well, it slaps
turn!
into the gloves of the goalkeeper.
Keeper caught that. And there's the goal kick. Wilson. Does look to get that through for Daniel Sturridge.
It's Newcastle
I do like to
top,
get him on the
and
ball as
Stuart,
much as possible.
always, very keen to get
And,
your thoughts as regards their performance.
Well, it's been a tight game
Actually, a
so
really
far,
good goal
but they've
scorer.
just had that
Although
little
his-
bit more
his
quality on the
finishing
ball,
stats isn't
particularly in
as high as what it
midfield,
should be,
where they've just started
in
to
my
take
opinion.
control. They'll be
He's
fairly
actually a
happy
really good
going
goal
at
scorer.
half-time if it stays like this.
And he did well to cut it out.
So nonetheless, this is Sturridge. What a turn.
It is to be a throw-in. Promising sequence.
Sturridge does spin away. There's the shot. Good save. Sterling with a corner.
Over it comes.
Shelvey, 2-0.
To increase their advantage.
John Joe Shelvey with the header from Sterling's corner.
A bit of a cushion. Now it's all about keeping the concentration.
Well, here's the replay. It's certainly a well-delivered ball into the area, and then what a great finish as well.
Yeah, John Joe
Good
Shelvey, what a
connection with
header.
the ball,
Actually, really
leaving
good
the
header.
keeper with little chance.
Rose really well,
It's a
headed
great
down the
goal.
back of the net. That's 2-0.
Newcastle
Well, a second goal for them here.
Ginger Shelby.
As this is episode 1 of the
Superbly
Newcastle
read
United
and
Rebuild.
executed.
I will have 2 more
Useful
videos
looking
coming
ball.
today. That's a good
And he
ball in
might
from
drop
Wilson.
it here.
Sturridge can't get there. I will have 2 more
Sterling.
videos coming today.
Well, that's gone out,
I will have
and
the
it is going to be a
continuation
goal
of the Liverpool
kick.
career mode as well as the
And I
continuation
think it's fair to
of
say
the
he's had
Leighton
happier
Orient
days in
Road
front
to
of goals,
Glory.
Stuart.
Yeah, I've been really disappointed
Please
with
do
him
hit that
today, Derek.
subscribe
He
button.
just hasn't looked
Hit that
himself.
bell icon
But I
so
think it's fair to
you'll
say
be
he hasn't had great service,
aware
has he?
every single time I upload a video. Hit that like and leave me a comment.
Promising
As
move
this is
this from
Daniel
Newcastle.
Sturridge.
But quick thinking defensively.
Madison. Sterling, what a ball,
Failed
headed
to
away,
get it away properly.
volleyed away. But back come Newcastle.
Madison.
Madison.
Well, he's thwarted him almost effortlessly. Tremendous ball played through. Well, the attack carried
Brilliantly
promise,
won.
but petered out.
Shelvey.
Well, the referee
Wilson.
has instructed the fourth official to put 2
Sturridge
minutes
peels
on
away,
the
there's the
board.
shot.
Able to get a body in the way. An alert intervention.
Singing his praises for him in front of goal and he just can't seem to hit the back of the net at the minute.
So a throw in
Nonetheless,
here.
that is coming up on half time. Newcastle are 2 up. It's blocked and Sturridge does try to get the shot off. I will try to get
That is
Sturridge on the
that
board as
for
much
the
as
first
possible.
half.
As I said, I really like using him on FIFA. He does score a lot of goals, although he hasn't currently.
As anticipated,
but
plenty of talking
he
points
does score
so
a lot of
far.
goals.
And now the second half is
So,
underway.
and when I use him, he sees a lot of the ball. I just hope that he has his
Shelvey.
face back very soon.
Aaron's.
And it's Max Aarons.
No
There's a
degree of
shot. Well
difficulty
saved.
for the goalkeeper.
I tried a bit of a finesse shot from the edge of the box there with him. It was a really easy save. But nonetheless, here's Lewis. Here is Tarkowski. Sterling.
James Madison.
Madison. Wilson.
Daniel Sturridge.
Sturridge.
No way through.
Madison.
Intercepting it intelligently. Well,
One
Leicester
back by
fans have been
Newcastle.
wondering.
Oh, they're in here, Derek.
Well, just went a bit too early. Offside.
Sturridge was offside. And there, as you can see, the score and the 2 teams have gone blank. Thank you very much, EA Sports.
Target.
Quite a few bugs found in the game that they've either completely ignored, fans let them know, or they have just
Lovely first touch. That wasn't easy.
not
Goalkeeper's
fixed.
ball. The cross
And that's
delivered
won
too
by
close
Pope.
to him.
Pope actually comes back and catches that really well. And that's 5 forward.
Disappointing
But here
pass.
come
Well, there it is.
Newcastle,
Newcastle just
Madison.
haven't had as much of the ball, but their attacking play has been really incisive. It's been a really good display from them so far.
Sturridge. Can't beat the defender. I'm not really one of those players to use skill moves.
Far from a good
I'm just
pass.
trying to win, like, without them.
Can he
But
finish?
that's Sturridge with a shot.
And that's a
That's good save.
straightforward stop. Wilson.
Wilson.
I think most fans would be pretty happy with this man's display so far.
Yes, he's played well, hasn't he? Obviously took his goal well, but his overall performance has been impressive too. Hopefully he and the rest of the team can maintain that level into the second half.
As Villa do actually knock it around. It's good ball out
Potential
wide.
danger. Out of play it goes, and it will be a throw-in.
Shelby. It's a good pass. Very good
Aarons.
pass.
Callum Wilson. Well, lovely work to get past
Sturridge is in the box. Daniel Sturridge, there's the goal.
And it seems that truly...
There is the goal for Daniel Sturridge. He finally got his chance and he finally got his finish. And there is the trademark Studge dance.
Well, here
Massive fan of this guy in real life.
So easily with just a drop of the shoulder.
Daniel Sturridge, he peeled away, there's the shot, look at that lovely finish. And that is 3-0 Newcastle. Madison, after his absolute rocket, is off.
3 goals without reply.
15, Daniel Sturridge. Substitution.
Tyrone Mings.
Coming off the pitch, number 22, James Madison. Coming onto the pitch, number 16, Jeff.
As I said previously, I will be back today with another 2. I'll be back with the next instalment of the Liverpool career mode. That is Liverpool versus Manchester United on
That's a game to
today,
look forward to. Plenty
as
to
well
play
as
for in
the
that
next
one.
instalment
It
of
should
the
be a
Late
really
Orient Road to
entertaining
Glory.
game.
That was a poor pass.
Now, I believe there's been a goal in the Leeds game, and Alex
And it's
Scott
Daniel
has the
Sturridge.
details.
Yeah, it's a goal for Everton. They've scored the opener with 68 minutes played.
Many thanks as ever, Alex.
That was blocked. Aston Villa were just defending really well
And
there.
into the last 20 minutes.
Can't seem to get the shots off that I'm trying
A
to
fine
play.
reading of the situation.
He just cut me out at the very last, but here's Sturridge
He
again.
continues his run.
Sturridge
Well,
again,
the
that's a good
goalkeeper in
save.
charge of the situation.
And we'll be replacing Shelby. Quick changes.
And there's the delivery.
Goes, there's the header, off the line.
Good save. Excellent header. And this situation could be dangerous. Matt Target.
Well, these fans are starting to leave here. There's just no chance of a comeback now.
And a poor ball.
And it's Willock.
Firing it
Willock
in.
from
And the
distance.
keeper making
Saved.
sure there were no scraps for them to feed on. Sanson giving the ball to the opposition that time.
Play to the whistle. The referee hasn't blown, so we continue.
Oh, not a great touch. And they've lost possession.
Newcastle knocking it around.
Couldn't hang on to it.
Sturridge, good turn.
Well, play stopped. It is a free kick. No card, but the referee clearly stating that's the last warning. And time for the change now.
Took the free kick shell. Actually come to nothing.
Well, a successful intervention, winning the ball back. We're getting right on top of their opponents and winning it back.
Oh,
Safe pair of
Sturridge,
hands,
Sturridge
did his
actually
job.
that deflected through, and Sturridge did try to get the touch, but he was denied. As the keeper breaking the 6-second rule there.
Well, they've won possession
And
back.
that is
What
it
can
for
they
one.
do
And
from
Daniel
here?
Sturridge again does try to turn away.
He read the situation defensively and did his job. Wilson.
I will have
almost
the
effortlessly.
Creative Club coming. I'll also have a Spurs
He's lost
career
it.
mode coming. A Spurs rebuild will be coming on this channel. So again, to be first to be known when I
Leon
upload
Bailey.
those, and I upload the next episode of this and the next episode of the Liverpool career,
Here's Matty
as well
Cass.
as the next episode of the Leighton Orient Road
Nicely
to
timed
Glory,
tackle.
which is definitely hotting up, as we are getting very, very close to the midway point of the season there.
Bailey.
Aston Villa coming
And
forward.
here's Sanson.
There's the shot.
And
There's
there
the
it
goal.
is. A goal.
Villa are back in
But
it.
will it be purely
It is
a
3-1.
consolation at this stage of the proceedings? They haven't been at their best. So there it is, 3-1 the current scoreline here. And we are going to
Sorry,
have
just control
2
me this
additional
now.
minutes. Really good interception.
Wilson. Sturridge.
And there goes the final.
And that's
whistle.
full time.
It is a happy
That will
story
be full
as far
time.
as
That's a
Newcastle
3-1
are concerned.
Newcastle
3
win.
points
Daniel
for them.
Sturridge
What did you make of it all?
back in the Premier League, 2
Absolutely,
games
Derek.
in a
It
row.
was very
Back scoring
comfortable
2
in the end
games in a
because
row.
they were tactically
Great
superior,
start,
had
great
better
return.
individuals, and were all...
And we will be going
Showing considerable
into the next game, which will be Scunthorpe. And once again, I thank everybody for being here. And once again, I very much appreciate you all being here. And I will be back in a minute. As due to the crackling, I don't want people to be deafened. So I'll be with you again in a minute. We head into the game against Scunthorpe, as actually that is a loan offer. Let's delegate that one, take off the loan to buy, make it a 2-year loan deal, have him go out for 2 years, which won't be too bad. So we head into the game against Scunthorpe, and it will be the League Cup. So I will be saving this here. And for this episode, I will say thank you very much for watching, and goodbye for now.